I'm replacing bulbs in my instrument cluster of my 1992 C1500, and I'm changing them out to LEDs. I went ahead and bought the different colored smaller T5 ones. These are the what's in there from the factory. And I bought what it is, blue, green, white, amber, and red. And I'll be putting those in the appropriate holes here. And sometimes these little T5s are a bit hard to get out, and you just have to put a pair of pliers on there and give it a twist, and then they come out pretty easily. Then what you have, like this is an amber bulb that came out of this package. And then I bought a pack of these base sockets. And then I also bought a kit of the larger bulbs, these T10s, I think they're called. I may have those backwards, so I think the bigger ones are T10s. And I bought a kit of those for the instrument gauges and for the heater and climate control. Still need to do the radio, at least the head of the radio control head. But these, if I can do this one-handed, will just pop in there. Same for the smaller ones, they slide in. As you've probably heard or know, these are polarized, so if you put them in there, let's see, you put it in there, give it a twist to lock it in. Then when you install it, if it doesn't work, you take it out and you turn it 180 degrees and install it, and it should work fine. So as a reminder, these are LEDs, light emitting diodes. A diode its job is to only let current through in one direction. So if you don't have it in there in the right direction, you're going to have to turn it around. I had looked and looked. I was able to determine a positive and negative side on these based on the label. Just if the certain label is printed in a direction up, I know which side's positive or negative, at least on these lights. That doesn't really help me though, because you have to look at the current. You have to know which side of this is positive and which is negative, and maybe somebody can tell that from looking, but it's not a big deal to install it and check. Or I even put some jumper wires up on my battery, and I've been touched them to here just to make sure they all work before I install it. So, but anyway, I wanted to just show you how you actually install the LEDs into the sockets and remove these original bulbs and put the new ones in. So.